Now we would like to discuss about quadratic inequalities by using graphical approach. So what is quadratic inequality? Quadratic here means x to the power of 2. So the highest power of x that we have in the inequality would be power 2. The quadratic inequalities can be solved by using these three methods. For today, we just look at graphical approach. Okay, to learn how to solve quadratic inequalities, we go straight to the example. Example 6a. We're going to apply these 5 steps. First step, make sure the right hand side is 0. Well, the right hand side is 0. If not, you just have to move everything to the left. But it's already 0, so we don't have to do anything. Next, make sure a is positive. The a that I meant here is this a. So this a in front of the x squared is already positive. It's positive 1. Step 2 is satisfied. Next, step 3. We want to factorize. So just factorize by using a calculator, and that's what you get. Just follow the inequality sign. Step 4. Just draw and write the values from factorization. So the values of x will be x equal to -5 and x equal to -1. Well, most of the students that I see, they write something like this. They follow the inequality symbol and write it here. This is wrong, because we just want to know what is the point that will make this equation 0. So just write -5 and -1 equal without any inequality signs. Then just draw this U shape. Write with the smallest number and then to the larger number. Smallest number is -5 on the left, smallest number, and then write the largest on the right side. Look at the inequality symbol. If there's no equal sign here, just draw an empty circle and -5 and -1. This is greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, next step we have to look at the inequality sign. If it's greater than 0, just shade on top or above the line. So above the line means to the right of -1 and also to the left of -5. That's on top. Here, right in the middle will not be on top, will be below the line. And below the line will be shaded only if the inequality sign is less than 0. Then how to write the final answer? The solution set will be written as x less than -5. Why is it x less than -5? Because the shaded region is to the left, and on the left is -infinity. So that's why we have x less than -5. If we write a line here, see this x is going to the left of -5. And then for -1, the shaded region is going to go to infinity, positive infinity. So that's why we write the arrow x greater than -1. And since the answers are separated, we have to combine them by using the symbol U, which stands for union. Union means all. That means all of these two answers are the answers. Then just write your curly brackets and x. So interval notation from your drawing just now, on the left is -infinity, comma, and then you have -5. There's an open circle here, so open circle means round bracket, and round bracket at infinity, always round bracket at infinity. And here -1 and infinity, round bracket at infinity. Since there's open circle here, so it's round bracket here as well. Because we have two answers separated, we must combine using the union symbol. Next question. First step, make sure right hand side is 0, but now it's not 0, so we have to move everything else to the left. After you have moved everything else to the left side, what you get is something like this. Next step is you have to make sure a is positive, but our a here now is not positive, so we have to multiply with -1 and change signs. So you multiply everything with a -1 and change the symbol, then just rearrange. After that, third step is to factorize. Just press your calculator and that's what you get. From here, your value of x is x equal to 1/3 and x equal to -3. Remember, it is not x less than -3. It's not this, and also it's not this. This is a wrong way in writing. You have to write like this. Okay, and just draw your U shape. Write the smallest number on the left. Look at your inequality sign. Fifth step. This is less than 0. That means you have to shade at the bottom, right in the middle here. You have to shade below this line, and the only place that we can shade below the line is right in the middle here. The solution set would be, why is it -3 less than x less than 1/3? It's because the value of x can be anywhere between -3 and 1/3. It can be -2, can be 0, can be anywhere here. So that's why x is right in the middle, and then we just follow 1/3 on the right, -3 on the left, and we just add in these signs. Since there's no equal sign here, you just write the open circle or the empty circle. For interval notation, just follow the symbols, -3 from the smallest number to the larger number, and round brackets. Okay, last example. Make sure right hand side is 0. It's already 0, no problem. Make sure a is positive. It's not positive yet, so we have to multiply with -1. Don't forget to change signs when you multiply with -1. Next, you have to factorize. Then remember, your answer here would be x equal to 5 and x equal to 1. Write the smallest number on the left and larger number on the right. Since we have an equal sign here, draw the dense circle right at 1 and right at 5. Fifth step, look at the inequality sign. Please do not look at the first inequality sign. Look at the latest inequality sign. Since this is less than 0, that means we have to shade below this x line. Remember, x is right in the middle. So our final answer will be 5 and equal, and 1 and equal. Interval notation will be like that. Okay, thank you for watching.